We begin this morning with the coronavirus impact on the ag industry here on the Central Coast. 1 million pieces of personal protective equipment have been collected for local farm workers.
It's a collaboration between the Grower Shipper Association and Salinas Valley Memorial. It comes as we learn the percentage of agriculture workers testing positive for COVID-19 is on the rise. Action News 8 reporter Christopher Salas has the details.
Good morning. We have learned that there are now 87 confirmed cases of COVID-19 amongst agriculture workers. That is more than a third of the county's total cases. It highlights the need for why they want to get these face masks out to those essential workers.
This is just representative of tens of thousands of what is overall an order of 1 million masks and face coverings that have been secured to help protect the workplace.
While industries recreate themselves amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, there is no Zoom meeting or conference call that can substitute how the country gets fed. And while many businesses are able to get creative in how they socially distance their employees, out here in the fields of the Salinas Valley, these essential workers continue to work tirelessly in close quarters to ensure that food gets to our tables and our shelves remain stocked. Chris Valadez says that is why these masks are so important. But they're just one line of defense. Growers are increasing sanitation stations, educating workers, and implementing social distancing protocols when not in the fields.
We know employers are working aggressively to employ protective measures.
Agriculture workers now make up more than a third of Monterey County's confirmed cases. Ag giants Tanamora and Antle and Taylor Farms have both confirmed at least one of their workers respectively have tested positive for COVID-19. These essential workers are that much more important as Monterey County's largest industry has lost its biggest customer, restaurants. A recent survey showed 42 Monterey County growers experienced losses, and more than 2,000 acres were plowed or couldn't be planted.
There was no retailer that made a demand for that product.
Valadez said those losses won't have an impact on grocery store shelves. The health of those supply chains depends solely on the health of these workers.
We're not able to ensure continuity of any operations unless we have a secure workforce that's safe and can work safely in doing so.
And the agriculture industry has also secured alternative housing to isolate those workers who are either COVID-19 positive or experiencing symptoms. Reporting in Salinas, I'm Christopher Salas, KSBW Action News 8 Sunrise.